Hi, welcome back to Caitlin's Kitchen House. Today we're going to be making homemade guacamole. Here are the main ingredients. This is avocado, this is a jalapeno, red onion, lime, tomato, and cilantro. You can also put other ingredients, but these are the ingredients we're going to use today. So first we're going to be cutting the avocado. Make sure to cut it in half and open it. Next, take out the seed. And take the avocado out with a spoon and pour it in a bowl. Put it in the bowl. So now we're going to be chopping up our red onion, and we're going to chop it up into thin, small pieces. Now that it's cut, we're going to put it in a separate bowl than the avocados. Now we're going to be chopping up our tomato. So now we're chopping up our jalapeno. Now that we chopped up our jalapenos into pieces, we're going to put it in the same bowl as the tomatoes, red onion. Just leave the avocado. So now we're chopping up our cilantro. So we chopped up our cilantro and we're going to put it in the same bowl with our onions, tomatoes, and jalapenos. Now we're going to be cutting our lime. And just squirt it with the bowl of onion, cilantro, and tomatoes and jalapeno. Make sure you put your arms around it so it doesn't squeeze out. So now we're going to be dumping all our cilantro, jalapenos, tomatoes, and red onions. This all mixed in a bowl with a squirt of lime and with our avocados. Feel free to add more of the ingredients if you want. And now we're going to be mixing it with a fork. Try to cut the avocados with your fork and make them kind of mix in. So now we're going to put an extra avocado because we're making a lot for our family.
And some salt.
I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So now, when you mix our avocados and all the ingredients, it looks like this. Now, you can get some chips and eat. Super good. Please like and subscribe to my channel here, and here. And keep following. And also, if you want to look for have notifications on, click the bell and it'll give you a notification every time there's a new video coming up. And comment below what you want me to cook or bake next.